Hey there, it is July 14th of 2023. It's about 4:10 p.m. and little man and I just arrived at the farm. We are going to camp tonight and then work all day tomorrow and call it quits in the evening. But for what's on the list for this weekend is we need to set up our tent. We need to dig out the fire pit. We need to set up the poop bucket, which neither of us have ever gone to the bathroom in a bucket before, but that should be interesting. Then we need to cut up a tree that we cut down last week, chop it up with the axe, stack it, cook dinner, cook breakfast, chop more grass with the weed whacker in the blueberry field. And yeah, we have a lot more. So stay tuned. It's going to be a cool video.
So what are we having for breakfast here?
Bacon and eggs. Boom, got the tent set up and pretty much everything out that we need for the evening. It's about 85 degrees out, so definitely feeling that heat. The next step is we need to dig out this fire pit. A lot of stuff has been burnt in here. We're not sure exactly what has been, but we know that we want to dig it out, especially if we're going to be cooking over it. So that's what we have next. Comment below, what is your favorite style of fire? Teepee or log cabin? We are totally a log cabin family.
Good morning.
Morning.
It is 6:30. It thundered and rained incredibly hard last night for a couple hours, but the tent held up. He did not wake up a single time. Just get up, get some breakfast going. Let's get to work.
Who's hungry for some bacon? It took us a little while to get the fire going this morning and to get a nice bed of coals, but we used that time to go get a fresh cup of coffee. And yeah, we are ready to enjoy our bacon and some scrambled eggs. Breakfast is done and we're on to the next chore, and that is picking blueberries for Mom. She couldn't join us last night, so we're gonna take some home for her. Check out these beautiful blueberries. We are gonna make something awesome with them.
Blueberry pie.
Blueberry pie. How many do we got so far?
That many.
Awesome. Yeah, we're gonna pick some blueberries and then we're on to the next chore, which is getting some dry firewood. And we went to the local farmer that sells dry firewood. This is our load. Next step, get it stacked. And just like that, our weekend on the farm is over. We got a lot accomplished, a lot of setup that will help us continue to be out here and be more efficient with our time when it comes to getting the farm back to being operational. We accomplished all of our goals apart from weed whacking more blueberry rows, but we'll get that later on in the week. So thank you. We're trying something different with our filming style. So leave us a comment below if you like it, if you dislike it, what you'd like to see more of, less of, etc. And give us a like and a share. Until the next one, you guys have a great time.